Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Trends International Design Awards 2023, where we take a look at the best of the best in kitchen design from across Australia. Our awards program is brought to you in association with Bremworth, Resine, Bloom, and proudly produced by Adjacent Communications, where thinking becomes reality. Here to announce this year's awards, Chairman of the Judging Panel, Paul Taylor.
Thanks for joining us today as we announce the results of the 2023 Trends International Design Awards for Australian kitchens. It's been a very active past 12 months in the home design market, and especially so for kitchen design and installation. We've seen high numbers of new builds consented over the year, each needing a new kitchen, while existing homeowners have also been renovating their kitchens and the adjacent areas. So it's been interesting to see what's been happening in kitchen design during this busy time. Firstly, though, today I'd like to thank all our entrants across the different categories, those that have also entered in previous years, and especially those who have entered TIDA for the first time this year. Thanks also to our TIDA kitchen sponsors, companies whose products play a prominent role in TIDA award-winning projects. Thanks to our associate sponsors, Bremworth, Resine, and Bloom. And thanks also to our presentation sponsor, Adjacent Communications. As the TIDA kitchens entries come in each year, I am always looking out for any notable changes in design styles. These aren't usually large wholesale shifts in direction, but features that are starting to show up more in our new kitchens. What I've seen this year has been more entries that have taken a softer approach to island design, using curves rather than straight edge design. This more organic approach can also be seen in associated cabinetry and sometimes in the design of the range hood. And this softening approach also comes through in the colours and materials designers are selecting. Warm whites or pastel colours for cabinetry and walls, often complemented by light timber elements. Having said that though, there's still a strong showing for more monolithic island design, often in black or dark grey, or clad in dark stone or porcelain with a subtle lighter grain running through it. Though there's also been a greater tendency to add an additional element to these islands in a contrasting material such as timber to break up the box-like effect. So those are some of the features to look out for in our awarded kitchens this year. Within the entries across the categories, there are a number of well-designed and very attractive kitchens that the judges felt deserved a highly commended award. So we'll start our awards today with those projects. Congratulations to the designers of all our highly commended kitchens. That brings us to the top kitchens in each of our three categories: imported kitchens, designer kitchens, and architect design kitchens. First up, here are our three runners-up. Congratulations to those runners-up: Dean Welsh at Inspiry, Dane Richardson at Dane Design, and McMahon and Nerlich Architects. And finally today we come to our winners, designers of the kitchens that made the biggest impression in each of the 3 categories. First up is Imported Kitchen. Winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Imported Kitchen is David Kane at Pepper Design.
The retired owners were downsizing to this property that needed renovating, including a total revamp of the kitchen area to create a modern and functional space suitable for entertaining family and guests. In keeping with the owner's love of colour, the new kitchen features pog and pole cabinetry in pine green metallic gloss lacquer paired with opal grey. This is complemented with the soft green and greys of Aquazo natural stone on the bench tops and on the floating cabinetry that extends into the adjacent living area. The TIDA judges felt this kitchen provided a very generously proportioned cooking and entertaining island, plus a full complement of high-quality appliances that would make cooking a most enjoyable occasion. Congratulations to David Kane at Pepper Design, winner of the 2023 TIDA Australian Imported Kitchen of the Year.
Our next award is for Designer Kitchen. Congratulations to Penny Del Castillo of Studio Del Castillo, winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Designer Kitchen.
As the heart of the home in the truest sense, this kitchen combines familiar elements of a residential setting alongside unexpected commercial aspects. Having spent significant time chefing around the world, the owner wanted to integrate industrial aspects into the new kitchen while ensuring it contributed to the life of the house for generations to come. Despite its large scale, the design needed to overcome a number of imposed restrictions to accommodate the amount of cooking equipment and storage that needed to be included. The process included reducing the thickness of some materials and creating the look of a seamless inset sink in commercial-grade Decton. And an exceptionally diligent approach was also required in manufacturing the brass surfaces so as to maintain their finish while undergoing the bends and folds needed. For the TIDA judges, this kitchen took a unique approach to fully complying with the demanding client brief for practicality while still ensuring the aesthetics complemented by a highly architectural setting. Congratulations to Penny Del Castillo of Studio Del Castillo, winner of the 2023 TIDA Australian Designer Kitchen of the Year.
Our final result today is for Architect Design Kitchen. Winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Architect Design Kitchen is Linda Simmons of LSA Architects.
As part of the renovation of a home with heritage components, this rare addition provides a surprising contrast in scale and style to the original front of the home. Exposed steel portals frame the 4.5 metre high rear room and help define the separate functions within the space. The kitchen anchors the back of this feature room with its black cabinetry creating a visual perimeter frame for the space. Kitchen cabinetry finishes at the pitching point of the roof while the rain hood extends to the ceiling, giving a strong focus to the cooking area and emphasising the ceiling height. The porcelain-clad feature island sits centrally and provides an additional seating area, its angled design tying in with the angled ceiling without deliberately matching it. The TIDA judges were impressed with how all the elements of this kitchen perfectly complement and contribute to the dramatic space it sits in. Congratulations to Linda Simmons of LSA Architects, winner of the 2023 TIDA Australian Architect Designed Kitchen of the Year.
Congratulations again to those 3 designers who've taken out our top kitchen design awards for this year. Those 3 winning designs now go forward into the TIDA International section to be judged again alongside winners of professional awards in other countries and to identify the 2023 TIDA International Kitchen of the Year. You'll find out more about all today's awarded kitchens on the TrendsIdeas.com website, plus our social channels on Facebook and Instagram. Just a reminder that TIDA Bathrooms opens for entry very shortly, and TIDA Homes will be open in September. Thanks again for joining us today, and see you next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our Kitchen Awards for 2023. We hope you have enjoyed seeing the best of the best in Australian design. Thank you again to our sponsors for their continuing support. And remember, for all your communication needs, visit adjacentcommunications.com.